Silly stuff like you don't have an SSL, the certificate, the little lock sign in the browser, or you wouldn't have a mobile version for your website, and somebody would take their phone and they're gonna be like, "What? I can't see anything. Like the text is too small, or the thumb button is good for a girl but not for a guy with a thick thumb." And then these little things individually don't do anything, but when overall your website is not mobile friendly, like if you have to do this with your phone, or I don't know, you go on a website and suddenly it starts wiggling weird, or the menu doesn't work, just people just exit, and Google figures it out. And you want to look at overall on your website and then figure out why is this happening. So technical issues are one thing, and then you have on page, which is like your text is too small, which is also technically technical. But there's also, for example, keyword stuffing or cloaking, which is also somewhat technical. It's like it's a big word. SEO is a very big word. And then off page, for example, you have bad links, right? But bad links are not very relevant anymore because Google knows how to ignore them. But in some cases, like, I don't know, somebody puts your website videos on some adult platform, video tube or something like that. Could happen. People do it intentionally. It rarely happens. Most likely your SEO issues are something you could fix in a few minutes. In very rare cases, it takes a long time unless the website was built wrong in the first place.